Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 21st day of the 40 days challenge. Today I'm going to share a very simple recipe which is the daddojnum or yogurt rice. But my version has a lot of vegetables and tampering which I'll be adding to the yogurt. So let's see how it's made. I took 2 cups of cooked rice and mashed it thoroughly. 2 cups of yogurt. I took the plain whole milk yogurt and I whisked it for 2 minutes so it's soft without any lumps. And now you can add this to the rice. To this, season it with salt and give it a nice mix again. To this, let's start adding the grated and the chopped vegetables. A cup of grated cucumber, a cup of grated carrot, half an onion chopped, half a chopped tomato, 3/4 cup of chopped fresh coriander leaves, 3 chilies. You can take how many ever you can tolerate. Now give it a nice mix. Add about half a cup of water. Give it a nice mix again. I transferred it to our serving bowl, and now the last step is to add the hot tempering. Add some oil for tempering, a spoon of mustard seeds, a spoon of jeera, 2 spoons of urad dal, a fistful of cashew nuts crushed, 2 dry red chilies. It is enough heat for the rest of the tempering ingredients to cook. Add some curry leaves and finally half a teaspoon of turmeric. Make sure the heat is turned off when you're adding the turmeric. It burns very quickly. There you go, the tempering is ready. Now add the hot tempering to the yogurt rice, like this. There you go guys, the amazing yogurt rice with lots of vegetables and tempering. This is an amazing dish or recipe for summer. It cools your body down, it makes you feel lighter, it hydrates you. Yogurt has amazing hydrating properties. Once you taste this one, I promise you, you will not want to taste yogurt rice any other way. Trust me on that. I assure you guys, my today's 2 cents is, in today's day and age, we all are so stressed, so self-doubting that we tend to neglect ourselves. And it is very important to motivate ourselves every single day and push ourselves to get better at things. So speak these 5 lines to yourself every morning. I am the best. I can do it. I am the winner. Today is my day. And number 5, God is always with me. Just try this and you will see a lot of change in your mindset. On that note, have a wonderful Wednesday. Until I see you guys in my next vlog. Bye-bye.